Did I just heard a train horn? Of course, it's her. Note, because I do like train horn.